Dan, welcome to my shop. I'm planning a series of videos on projects that I've built over the years, and I figure we'll start with these. I built this impact mill and this rock crusher. Been watching Jason over there at Baker Mountain and the boys over there at Mine Operator. They're just on the other side of the hill over in Death Valley. Been wanting to make some trips over there with my Jeep Rubicon. Do a little prospecting and bring some rock home. I figured I better have the equipment to do it with. I'm gonna start a series of videos, a series of videos of stuff I've built over the years. And I hope you guys tune in and like, subscribe, and I'll be able to do more. Thanks. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. She does be running the shop, but I think it'll work.